Buddies. Pass is complete to Adam Turner for a Chiefs touchdown. 59 yards.
Beautiful catch, baby.
Athletics pass
I wasn't
is
zoomed up,
complete.
but that was pretty.
Number 80, Turner.
Every single play.
Oh, nice.
Pass complete to Turner.
You're gonna go from side to side, killing y'all both. Killing y'all both, side to side.
9 yards on the completion.
One. He like, he gave him a 20-yard push. Hey, right there, yeah.
That's it. Way to go,
Nice pitch to Turner is complete.
Look, see how they shifted? Like I was telling you guys to shift, see? See? There it is, Adam. Do it, Adam. There you go. Do it. Stay up, Adam. There you go.
Athletics pass is complete to number 80.
Hey!
Adam Turner.
There you go.
First down, Chiefs.
Oh, they gave it to him. Do it, Adam. Nice move.
Pass is complete to
They
Adam.
did that the whole game. That man over there with the camera, I'll be killing it.
Let's go.
Get your money.
Go.
Stay up. Yeah, you got nowhere to go.
Pass is complete to Turner.